Yes, I mean, we actually work with many, many manufacturers, the biggest in the world. And there are a lot of different flavors of locks. There is a little bit off camera. I've got a Perio wireless locks on my demo door behind me. And that is something that we offer, and we're partnered with them. But as an example, we have an API level integration with them, and that would actually connect either through one of the Axis branded door controllers or the Mercury based door controllers, for example, and actually is part of your door setup in the software. So you're able to see the battery status. You're able to, lock and unlock the doors. So from our perspective, we want to have the best user experience and the best interface to work with and be as openly compatible as possible. Door hardware is more of a challenge in terms of I work with every kind of door hardware versus working with almost every kind of camera. But we're actually trying to help change that industry to be much less proprietary, and it has come a long way. So for customers that want to use smart locks, if they want to use mobile credentials, if they want to use Bluetooth, we have tons of options that we're compatible with that they can accomplish that. And as far as the quality of one smart lock to the next, I would agree. There are some that are out there that I don't think honestly are very strong, or don't offer as many features. Maybe they're not very long range in terms of their wireless, and you have to put up a lot of bridges and antennas for them to communicate.